Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create Shopify store from scratch. So let's just begin. Now you can see we are inside our Shopify dashboard. So to get started with your store, first of all make sure that you have decided that what type of store you want to run. So whether you want to sell let's just say digital products, physical products, or anything that you're selling, you should be clarifying that. Then you can head over to your settings, and from here make sure to set basic settings for your store, like for example its name. So let's just say it is um, an electronic store, or maybe it is something related to computers. So let's just call it um, ProTech, and this is going to be our store, and save its name. So I suggest you doing this. You can add phone number and various other regions as well, and we will be coming upon that later on. So to get started with your store, you can see on the left side we have our online store option. Click on that and choose a template. So by the way, you can head over to the link in the description below to get Shopify for 3 months for just $1. So make sure to give a try to that, and this will be providing you a huge offer. You can see we can customize our template from this section. So click on this customize option and you can start editing your store. So this is how you can get started with your store. Once you add few products and everything, you can even see what is going on in your store and how it is looking. You can see you have desktop view and everything. So this is how you can start from scratch. I hope this helps. See you in the next video.